Hi guys, for today's video, gagawa tayo ng Arianne's favorite coffee jelly. Kakailanganin natin ng kaserola, ng wire whisk, ng measuring cup. Kailangan mo mag-measure ng 2 liters ng water. Sa instruction guys, ng water to gelatin ratio is 1.5 liter per pack, but since gusto ko na mas makunat yung consistency ng gulaman ko, I'll reduce it to 1 liter per pack. So ayan, hirap na hirap tayo. Sige, i-push natin. Ayan guys, ayan, finally na open ko din siya. Then pour nyo lang siya sa 2 liters ng water. That's 1 pack. Then another pack ng gelatin. There you go. Ayan yung instruction sa likod kung gusto nyo rin gumawa, pero sa akin kasi binawasan ko yung water just to make sure na mas makunat yung gelatin. Then gamit yung wire whisk, imimix ko muna siya bago ko siya isalang sa kalan. Ayan, mix lang. Then after that, sinalang ko na siya over medium heat. Mix lang. I think it took me 5 minutes before siya mag-boil. Keep on mixing lang guys. While waiting for it to boil, I was actually preparing sa sugar, kasi kakailanganin natin siyang lagyan ng sugar, at kailangan din natin mag-add ng 1.5 tablespoon ng coffee bago siya maluto totally. So ayan, hinihintay ko lang siyang kumulo while preparing yung other ingredients natin. Yan, mix lang once in a while. Hindi naman siya agad masusunog since mababa lang naman ang apoy. Ayan guys, ang ingredients natin again is gumamit ako ng 2 liters ng water since meron akong 2 packs of gelatin. You can use any brand, yan lang ang available sa akin, and it's clear na gelatin na ginamit ko. Then nag-add ako, or I'll be adding 2 tablespoon per pack, so a total of 4 tablespoon para dun sa dalawang pack, and may 2 liters siya ng water. Then nag-dilute ako ng 1.5 tablespoon ng coffee granules sa 1/3 cup ng water. Just to make sure lang guys na i-dilute nyo yung coffee nyo sa water para hindi siya magbuo-buo, kasi hindi magiging maganda ang magiging outcome nung finished product mo if hindi mo siya i-dilute. There you go. Malapit na siyang kumulo at this point. Around 5 minutes before siya totally kumulo para ma-add natin yung sugar, then eventually yung dinilute natin na coffee granules. Story time pala guys. As I've said earlier, this is Arianne's favorite coffee jelly. Si Arianne, if you are following me already, siya ay pamangkin ko, at the same time inaanak. So nag-iisa siyang pamangkin, kaya medyo spoiled. So kung anong gugustuhin niya, nagbibigyan namin at some point. So ayun, since meron naman akong ingredients available, so ginawan ko siya ng kanyang favorite. And it's very easy to make. Ang pinakamatagal lang naman na preparation sa paggawa ng dessert na to is yung pagpapaset nung gelatin after niya kumulo. Kasi it will take you more than an hour para totally maset siya, para pwede na natin siyang hiwain and i-add yung additional ingredients para maging dessert siya. So later on, we will be adding 2 packs ng all-purpose cream. You can use any brand. I'll be actually using 2 different brands since yun lang yung available. So meron akong Jersey at meron akong Nestle na all-purpose cream. Then I'll be adding 1 can ng condensed milk. That's all. Yun lang yung kakailanganin natin para makomplete yung recipe. At this point guys, nag-add na ako ng 4 tablespoon of sugar. Then, imimix ko lang siya. Then after a few minutes of mixing, I'll be adding yung coffee naman. Ito guys, so totally na-dissolve na yung sugar na in-add natin kanina. So it's time para i-add natin yung diluted na coffee natin sa 1/3 cup ng water. Then pakuluan lang natin siya ng konti. Just to make sure lang na maghalo yung coffee dun sa ating jelly. And hindi ko na napakita sa video guys. Kumuha ko ng konti, then nilagay ko siya sa isang lalagyan para i-check kung magsaset na siya. There you go guys. So okay na yung gelatin mixture natin. Kumulo na siya totally, nailagay natin lahat ng ingredients. So after that, ipo-pour lang natin siya sa isang container. But since medyo madami yung gelatin natin, gumamit ako dito ng dalawang lalagyan, isang malaki at ayan guys, so after more than an hour of waiting, nag-set na siya totally cooled na din siya. So it's time for us to cut them in pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, hindi talaga siya pantay-pantay. And hindi mo siya mapapantay-pantay. Ayan siya. You just have to cut everything in pieces. At this point guys, nag-add na ako ng dalawang all-purpose cream. Magkaibang brand siya, pero hindi naman masyadong magkaiba yung lasa. Then yung 1 can ng condensed milk. Ayan, may natira pa palang isang lakad. So cut lang natin siya, then balik natin. Just make sure guys na you just have to make sure na malinis yung kamay natin when preparing food. So that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.